Alright, so this is your IDST smart charger. This is what you'll use to charge the 4-cell batteries for your drone. Alright, so first you want to plug in your power supply to an outlet. There is a long XT60 cable that comes with that. This will plug between your power supply and the charger. Make sure you plug it into the side that says input. And as soon as it's plugged in, the charger will power on. To connect your battery, plug the XT60, the yellow plug, into the output. And your balance lead will go into this port. Make sure you slide it all the way to the left. Okay, so the next step is to set up the charger. You'll use this little scroll wheel. It will allow you to use all the functions. One press will bring up the menu. Set your task to charge. Battery type LiPo. Cell voltage 4.2. It will automatically detect the cell count and your current. This will depend on the size of battery you're charging. It should be whatever your battery is divided by 1,000. This one is 1,300 milliamp hours, so you'll use 1.3 amps. That's the safest way to charge your batteries. And press start. It will begin charging. You can see voltage for each individual cell, internal resistance, as well as temperature and total voltage. The battery will begin to beep when the charging is finished, and it will automatically shut off. Okay, so guys, we're also working on getting adapters for you to charge your Baby Hawk batteries with this charger. As you can see, this has a different plug than the bigger battery. The adapter will have this end on it that will convert to this. So you'll charge it the same way. Your adapter will plug in here, and you'll just plug in your balance lead to the balance port, once again, all the way to the left. And you'll want to charge these at 0.3 amps instead of 1.3.